Hyundai Motor has released fresh images of the 2020 i20 before the vehicle is officially unveiled at the upcoming Geneva International Motor Show. The new Hyundai i20 looks sportier than ever with completely refurbished exteriors. There are major updates inside the cabin and under the hood as well. The new i20 looks quite aggressive and follows the brand's new sensuous sportiness design language. The exterior gets sharp design edges and there are multiple creases on the body. The front looks very different from the current version of the car. It gets a new blacked out mesh grille with new LED headlamps. The new lamps also offer integrated DRL that gives a unique identity to the vehicle. Down below on the new bumper, there are new fog lamp housings that get an angular design. From this side, the car gets new alloy wheels and a new chrome underline on the window line. The contrasting black roof looks extremely good with the whole package. The car also gets true updates at the rear. It gets a big diffuser, blacked out stripe above the light bar that connects both the tail lamps. The tail lamps get a Z design element. The European version will get a lower roof, wider body and increased length, while the wheelbase has also been increased by 10 mm. The car will also get 17-inch alloy wheels for at least the top variant. The boot space has been increased by 25 liters and now offers a total of 351 liters of luggage carrying capacity. The more spacious cabin comes with a large digital instrument cluster, 10 to 25-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Blue-Link connectivity, wireless charging, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, 8-speaker Bose audio and so on. The South Korean automaker will also sell the new i20 hatchback with Smart Sense safety package, composing of blind spot monitoring, cross traffic alert, new forward collision warning system, intelligent cruise control based on navigation, etc. Under the hood, the 2020 i20 is powered by a naturally aspirated 1.2-liter and 1-liter turbo petrol engines. The 1.2-liter milk develops 84 PS paired with a 5-speed manual only. The 1.0-liter turbo variant on the other hand is available in 100 PS and 120 PS trims as well as a 48V mild hybrid setup. It is paired with a 7-speed DCT and a 6-speed manual transmission. Prices for the new Hyundai i20 are expected to start at around €16,000, making it more expensive than both an entry-level Polo and Fiesta.